This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to block Roblox on your router. First, open your web browser and type in your router's IP address, usually found on a sticker on the device itself. This will take you to the administration page. Log in using your credentials, which are often admin for both username and password by default. Once inside, navigate to the Parental Controls or Access Restrictions section to begin configuring your settings. Next, you'll need to identify the specific internet addresses Roblox uses. Common domains include Roblox, .com and www, Roblox, .com. You might also find specific IP addresses if your router allows for IP-based blocking. If you're unsure, some advanced routers offer network monitoring tools that can help you capture this information as traffic flows through your network, giving you precise details for blocking. Now, it's time to apply the restrictions. In your router's parental control settings, look for an option to add a new rule or block a website. Enter the Roblox domains or IP addresses you identified earlier into the designated field. You can choose to block access for all devices or select specific ones, like a child's tablet or computer. Remember to save your changes and then restart your router for the new settings to take full effect. Finally, verify that your block is working as intended. Try to access Roblox from a device that should be restricted. If the game or website doesn't load, your block is successful. If it still works, carefully recheck the domains or IP addresses you entered for any typos. You may also need to consult your router's user manual or contact its manufacturer's support for model-specific troubleshooting steps to ensure complete blockage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.